Good morning. Some impression of stability has returned to the global markets. However, Europe still continues to be rattled over concerns that the debt problem of the PIGS group could linger on for a while and might spread to other parts of the region. Meanwhile, ratings agency S&P downgraded Spain's credit rating and said that the outlook is negative. Incidentally, the Greek market was one of the few indices to rise in Europe after its regulator banned short selling for 2 long months. In the US, the Fed left the key rates steady and did not make any changes in its language. The Fed said that the US economy continues to strengthen and the labor market is beginning to improve. The Fed's rate action and commentary helped Wall Street post a modest advance. The Asian markets are mixed and relatively stable. Japanese market is shut for the day. We expect a steady start on the Indian bourses. After a sharp fall, there is always a chance of a rebound. But the F&O expiry and uncertainty over the emerging financial situation in Europe may continue to haul over the bulls. Aggressive buying should be avoided till the near-term turbulence is over. The market will be volatile and we advise you to focus on stock-centric action after doing proper due diligence. The results to be announced today are Andhra Bank, Ashok Leyland, BASF India, Bata India, Biocon, Cadilla, CET, CESC, HCL Infosystems, Hexaware, Indiabulls Real Estate, ING Vesya Bank, IOB, KC International, Mahindra Holidays, MRF, OBC, Parshvanath Developers, Shriram Transport, Siemens, Thomas Cook, Ultratech, UB Holding and United Phosphorus. FIIs were net sellers of Rs 1.31 billion on Wednesday on a provisional basis. Local funds were net buyers of Rs 3.24 billion according to figures published on the NSE website. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 9.94 billion. On Tuesday, FIIs were net buyers of Rs 1.6 billion in the cash segment as per the SEBI website. RIL has made a fourth oil discovery in the Canway Basin in Gujarat. AT&T has sold 7% stake in Tech Mahindra for Rs 6.6 billion and LIC buys 6%. NTPC and Coal India enters into a joint venture for coal block acquisitions. Punjab Lloyd bags an order for the Cuddalore refinery of Nagarjuna Oil. US investment fund Bravia Capital Partners has proposed to invest $40 million into SpiceJet. SEBI has decided against filing a joint application before a court to resolve its dispute with IRDA over ULIPs. Infrastructure companies may soon be able to refinance part of domestic debt through borrowing overseas. Government moves 100% FDI in defence. All India 3G bid has reached 89.14 billion rupees at the end of the 16th day of the auction. Mines Ministry seeks windfall tax to curb illegal iron ore mining. India's sugar production is likely to rise by 28% to 22.7 million tons in 2010-2011 according to US Department of Agriculture. Tobacco exports grew 29% year-on-year to Rs 43.7 billion in financial year 2010. IT spending in India is likely to grow by 14% to Rs 67 billion in 2010, says Gartner. Food inflation to decline in the coming months, says Finance Minister. CERC raises overdraw charges to 12.25 per unit. Moving on to the recommendations, the derivative strategies are long Piramal Healthcare May future at Rs 526 for a target price of Rs 540 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 517. And short ICSA India May future at Rs 119 for a target price of Rs 110 and the stop loss is to be placed at Rs 123. The technical calls are a buy on Cummins India. Traders are recommended to buy the stock at levels of Rs 533 to Rs 539 for a target price of Rs 560 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 523. And ABB buy. Traders are recommended to buy the stock at Rs 815 for a target price of Rs 855 to Rs 860 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 800. Thank you and have a great day ahead.